Anime Creations, and today I come to you with another Diamond Art Club unboxing. Now, of course, this is for my Black Friday sale, and I got two in here. You know, I only do one at a time. So let's pull out one and see which one is in here. I'm excited. Okay. All right. Oh, yes. Oh, my goodness. These that are in these two boxes here, the next two that you're going to see, are the ones I have been waiting on. I'm talking about a long time, guys. Waiting for it to come back in stock. I am so excited. I was finally able to get it. The stuff down there. And this first one is, let me take the plastic off so I don't have to do that. This chair in the way. I've been crafting like a crazy person. And I got stuff everywhere. It's like when you think you're getting your room straight, nah. Alright, let's get that plastic off. Alright, so this first one here, guys, is from made by Randall Spangler. He is one of my favorite artists here. And this one is called So Many Books, So Little Time. It is a square. Oh my goodness, y'all. I have waited on this one. So y'all probably know what the next one is, but you'll see it in the next video. Wow, it's heavy too. It's not wide, but it's long. I know y'all hear it rattling. Come on. There we go. All right, so of course we got our sticker. I'll put it up here. I'll put those in that book that I have. This is the square toolkit. For those that have not seen it before, it has a blue drill pen, some very sharp tweezers, baggies, a white boat, lots of baggies. Let me see. A blue squishy. It looks like it's in there. Yeah. And a four-placer. All right. I have tons of these, and I'm just have to start throwing them in people's packages. They can use the stuff for other things. You know, the tray, I don't know. You do something with that. The tweezers, anybody can use great tweezers and baggies. So I might just start throwing them as just extra. But anyway, get back to this. Here is the sticker. Oh my goodness. Look how beautiful, guys. Oh my gosh. It says so many books, so little time. It is a square with ABs. It is 56 centimeters by 109 centimeters, guys. So it's, you see how wide it is? It fits right here on my mat, but it's long, 109 centimeters, which is equivalent to 22 inches by 43 inches. OMG. There are 53 colors, and it looks like 2 ABs. So let's get into this baby. I am so excited for this one. I have been waiting for this one to come back, and it was so awesome because when I got the email that it was back in stock, excuse me, I decided to check on the other one too before I pressed pay, and it was available. I said, oh, both of them. All right, so here is the step-by-step instructions that come with every canvas, and it also has a discount code. Our drills, it says 2 of 1, 2 of 2, so there's 2. Let's roll this baby backwards. Oh my gosh. I'm laying it backwards so it will roll. What is going on with my chair? Okay. Sorry, guys. It's like it won't go back any further. I know I got stuff back there, but I'm like, ugh, what is going on? Rolling it backwards, and you can do this because this is a poured glue canvas. It's a poured glue canvas, and I'll show you. That is the information here. So many books, so little time. 56 by 109. Goo, which is 22 by 43. Is made by Randall Spangler and Diamond Art Club. I absolutely love his dragons. And look at the scallop edging on this here, guys. That is so the fraying, it will not fray. This canvas will not fray. All right. So you roll it back. I'm trying to get that little fuzz that's off the back of it. Oh my gosh. I'm just have to hang all my dragons in the same area. I got to reorganize it. Oh my goodness. Look at this, guys. It fits perfectly in the shot. But good googly boo. Look how cute he is. Reading his book. I don't think he can quite make out what the book says. I love the stars in the background, guys. Starry night and he's reading. That is just adorable. I'm loving that. Look at the scale detail on him. And let's keep going. Look at these books, guys. Ooh! I've seen other people complete this and the colors just pop. I love the clock. Oh, okay, 24 hours. I'm like, what is going on with this clock? The time. So from here to here is 12, and then never there is 24. Because I'm like, 21 hours? What is going on? Military time pocket watch. That's what that is. I'm hoping, well, it don't look like you can probably see any words on the books. But I'm loving how the pages, you can see the shading on the pages of the book. Then keep going. Oh my gosh, I love the beads. And then look, guys. Did y'all see that? Look at this kitty cat peeking around them books. Beautiful green eyes. Oh my gosh, there's his paw. His tail is here. That is too cute. And then there's another dragon here. He down here with his cookies. He want to eat. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Then look at these cookies down here. We got those balls. These are the balls I was talking about before. When I said it's the other canvas that I looked at. It's usually have these little balls in there when it's a dragon. I love the little page flag. Got some diamonds on here on the book spines. Beautiful. So of course, Diamond Art Club Fashion. The schematic is on the bottom right, top left. Top left. This is a very long canvas. Let's go ahead and lift it up. Those drills out the way. I got projects everywhere I'm trying to do for Valentine. Sticky, of course. Oh, I can't wait to hang this baby up. All right, let's look at this drill field, guys. Look at that. You got your pasting area. That little thumbnail there shows the entire canvas is the drill area. Very pretty. Very sticky. All right, let's do this other side, and then we're going to look at these drills. Look, look. It's going to be good to work up, but when they long like that, good Lord. And then I did say it was 53 colors. Yes. No problems at all. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to do this one. Every time I get one, I say that. But when you see the canvases, y'all know I like the dragon. So we'll see. All right, let me pull my chair up and let's get into these drills. I'm excited. All right. We'll open them up one at a time. Put my laptop thing down. See how many trains we have on this package. We have 1, 2 trays. Yay! All right, let's get busy. Let's see. Now I can tell this is the not the new machine, because remember I told y'all about, for some reason my chair is not doing what it's supposed to do today. Oh, no wonder. My Wonder Woman thing is stuck under the wheel. Well, this is, okay, there we go. Hey, it's real life. All right, here we go. Because remember I told y'all they had a new machine, so they probably haven't just got these from the warehouse. They hadn't printed out the new ones yet. But anyway, drills are drills, and they're going to be great. I got 2 bags of 814, 905. I know that goes in the dragon. 2 of 400, 2 895, 3826, 317, 904. Did I just say 904? No, that was 905. Oh yeah, that's gonna be some good shading. 3371, 798, and 1, 2, 3 bags of 3782. This is probably for the books. 4 bags of 642. Yeah, that looks like the shading for the books. And then 976. The smaller bags. 898, 602, 3608, 165. That pretty light yellow. 351. Ooh, this is pretty. This looks like a peachy pink. 351. Our first AB. 141. We all know 141, guys. That's that white we have for ABs. 907, 997, 203, 935, 473, 3799, 939, 820. There's our second AB. 134. I love that they're keeping that going through all of Randall Spangler's dragon paintings. Is that 134, and that's on the dragon. That is going to be so pretty. 815, 30, 33, 823, 90, 37, 90, 37, 87. Why I keep wanting to say 90? I don't know. And then 38.97. That's a pretty purple. That's out of the first bag. The second bag. How many trains are in this one? 1, 2. Alright, this is a shorter train. Let's see. 2 more bags of 640. It's probably in the books. 2 bags of 796. That's that beautiful purple. 1, 2, only 3 bags of 310. That is amazing. And then 301. And this one we have 321, 33, 334, 600, 900, 413, 550, my favorite purple, 414, 2 bags of 498, that red, 938, 644, 300, 327, I had to think about it, 890, 677, 728, 2 bags of 797, and then 1 bag of 783. So those are the drills. Oh, I almost put it in the wrong bag, which really doesn't matter, but. Alright, so let's see where these ABs go. We know those 134s, those greens go in the dragon. But let's just double check. Alright, so the first one is the 134, and it is the number 1. So let's see up at the top. Number 1, yep. All this light lime green you see here on his arm, his face, going down his back, on his hip, down to his tail. That is the number 1 green. I don't see any in the tree. I do see some in the book here, so that's good. All that lime green you see here, that is on the book. That is the ABs. So that's cool. Down here, outlining this book. I love that. And the cat's eye. Yes, I'm glad they did that. Of course, on this dragon, on his arm, face, going down his back, on his hip. And then the last little bit is right here on this little jewel on the spine of the book, and this ball highlighted right here. So that's awesome that they have it sprinkled throughout. I love that. And then the second one is 141, which is now the number 2 symbol. So let's look up here. Exactly what I thought. All these number 2s, these sprinkles here, the stars in the window, are the number 2 ABs. That is awesome. I love that. And then there's a couple in their eyes here on his cheek. Let's see. Going down here on the clock. I don't see any in the books because the book's got that brownish color. There's a couple here on this jewel. There's none on the clock face. So that's a darker color, I guess. Going down this dangle here, this page marker here. It's a dangle, and it has sprinkled in there. Oh, the cat's tail. Cool. And this dragon's eyes. The pupil of his eyes, too, so that's awesome. The cat, again, in his face, on its paw. And that is it. So I am excited. This is definitely one of my favorites I have been waiting on, guys. And I was so excited I was able to get both of them at the same time. So y'all wait till the next one to see that one. But again, y'all let me know what you think, guys. I can't wait to kit this one up too. You know I said it every one, but every time you get a new one, y'all, oh, I like it. So again, it is So Many Books, So Little Time by Randall Spangler. Y'all let me know what you think. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, bye-bye.